Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an ice cream origami. If you guys have regular computer paper, you can use that and then use like a crayon to color the outer parts. You can. If you guys have origami paper or colored paper, then you can just have a one colored ice cream cone. Okay, so what you need for this project today is whatever piece of paper you decide to use and a pencil. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have a square, have your origami paper in a square, and then you're gonna turn it into a diamond, and then you're gonna flip the bottom up to meet at the top. And you're going to crease it. Then we're going to open it. Now we've kind of done this before with previous projects, but we're going to do this on both sides. So I'm going to take the left side, I'm going to fold it to meet at the center line. I'm not going to, so it's going to be, yeah, so I'm going to fold it to meet at the center line. I'm going to take my time and make sure that the whole thing is aligned with the center and that the tip is a point. And I'm going to crease it when I feel like it aligns with it. So when you do that, you should have something that looks like this. So it's kind of like you're making a kite, basically. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. We're going to fold it in, just like you're making a kite. Make sure it's aligned with the center line. And all the way through. And we're going to crease it. So when you're done with that, you should have something that looks like a kite. So now what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna fold this. So now we're gonna fold this back and out and crease it. So it should look something like this. So you're just gonna flip this back like this. Make sure that it's completely creased in the corner. The paper is not bent over a little bit. And you're gonna crease it. So we don't want something that looks like this, where you can see a little bit of the orange paper. You want to make sure that you just see the white. So make sure you take your time. And crease it. So you should have like a kite with some wings. After you do that, now we're gonna basically just like push this back and crease it. We're gonna push this behind and we're gonna crease it. So when you're done, just look like this. Now we're gonna turn it around. So now it looks like this. Now we're going to turn it around and we're going to basically fold it in this way, but on the back. So we're going to fold it in to meet at the center line, and then we're going to crease it. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. gonna fold it to a point, and we're gonna crease it. So when you're done with that step, it's just literally the same that we did on this side, but we're doing it at the top. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically, when you fold it together, there's a line right here. So we're just literally gonna just fold this down right where that line is. So fold it like this, right where that line is. Make sure that the point aligns with the center of that line. And then when you have that, you're gonna crease it well. And now what we're gonna do, basically we're just gonna, so we folded that down. Now we're gonna flip it up. We're gonna flip it up. It's gonna create a new line. Make sure that it's still aligned with the center line. Everything is very symmetrical. And we're gonna crease it. Like that. It looks like this. So this is, we're basically forming the ice cream cone, the ice cream at this point. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it down again. So we're basically repeating the same last two steps over and over. So we're gonna flip it down again. Make sure that this line at the top lines with the line of the cone. And we're gonna crease it well. And then we're gonna go down a little bit, it's about like here, and then we're gonna flip it up. We're gonna go right here, and we're gonna flip it up. So when you turn it around, you have your ice cream cone. So now I'm gonna do the cone design with the pencil. So I'm just gonna do some diagonal lines with my pencil. I'm gonna do the line in the opposite direction. And that's all today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to post your ice cream cones on Google Classroom. I would love to see how your guys' came out and different variations you guys took to make them. See you guys next week. Bye, guys.